Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We recently went to Maui and had the time of our lives. This video is all about our wonderful stay in Wailea, Maui at the ANDAZ. We'll show you the rooms, the amenities, food, the prices we paid, and break down our review at the end. Aloha! Welcome to the ANDAZ Maui. Located in Wailea, Maui, this resort built in 2013 has an iconic long entryway that starts as you arrive and leads directly into their open air lobby. As you walk in, you'll notice a beautiful sand garden with their logo etched in. It's purely for aesthetics, so be sure not to step in. One of the great things about this resort is you don't have to stand in line for check-in. They come to you while you relax in their comfy chairs and sofas. And look at that, don't mind waiting with that kind of view. Within minutes they gave us welcome drinks and started telling us about the property.
This is our concierge today. They are here every day from 6:30 a.m. until 8:30 p.m. So reservations, excursions, questions, they have all that information over there for you too. Down the spiral staircase here, you'll find yourself at Cana Kitchen, which is our breakfast and our dinner restaurant. Very local, farm-to-table style Hawaiian. It's delicious. So check out Cana for both breakfast and dinner. And lunch. Really good. They do a full buffet for breakfast from 6:30 to 7. Alright, so great. This is like hula lounge. They're open for lunch and for dinner. That's going to be last call for food 10 p.m. drinks 11. Casual dining, live music every single night for you too. Once the sun sets, it's beautiful. All the pools light up different colors. The fire pit goes on. Just a really nice atmosphere. So the hula lounge is really great. All of our pools here that you see, we like to close down, quiet down around 10 p.m. The third pool down with the square jacuzzi, that jacuzzi and that pool in particular, 24 hours, which is really nice. So you can enjoy that whenever you would like. Down at the bottom on the right with the slanted tan roof that you see, that is our Morimoto restaurant. So Japanese cuisine, sushi, they're open for lunch and dinner. Highly recommend a reservation for dinner. On the left side, last part for dining on this side is Bombay Beach Bar, the shorter green roofs over there. Open for lunch only, they close around 5 o'clock. But just kind of the last place you'll see to grab a drink or a bite to eat if you were walking around the property. We do have a full beach crew on the beach, full umbrella and chair service down there too. Also, just so you know, if you don't want to dine at a table or a bar, we do have full poolside service for food and drink as well.
Perfect.
So you know, yeah. Other side of this wing here is going to be our adult-only pool. So on that side as well is our spa and our fitness center on that side. You can access that outdoor around, or if you come right over here, there's a long list hallway. You're going to pass our 24-hour market, which is really nice for hot, cold food, on-the-go breakfast, coffee, and you'll find that on that side over there. We do have courtesy cars on property as well. They can take you anywhere in the Wailea area, in the radius of Wailea. So no need for a reservation for that. Just walk down to the end of the bridge, let them know where you'd like to go.
Welcome to our room. The ANDAZ has 301 rooms, suites, and villas. We got one on the 7th and topmost floor. This is our beautiful ocean view king room. Bedside controls for our curtains and lights. Just love that they hid the outlets. This is the minibar / coffee area. And wow, the snacks and drinks were free to take on a daily basis. They had chips, cookies, all kinds of drinks. and our fridge even had frosty cups for, you know, those times when a room temperature glass just won't do. Here is our beautiful bathroom, pretty modern and simplistic in its design, almost a Zen feel. I noticed a lot of ANDAZ properties feature this circular mirror. It comes with your standard soap, shampoo, conditioner, amenity kits, etc. And for the shower, you can't see it here, but there's a rain shower head above, and it was so nice and relaxing to take a shower with both shower heads. And look at that, you can even look out into the ocean while taking a shower. Of course, you can close those shutters if you aren't comfortable. Next door to the shower area and behind the sink is the bathroom. And next to that is a walk-in closet. Your standard extra pillows, laundry bag, iron, slippers and robes, and a safe built right into one of the drawers. Brunch at Cana Kitchen is a delight. It's $47 per person, but I love me a good buffet. Features farm-to-table fare, mimosas, all the juices, and delicious breakfast foods. It's all done in a really cool, open concept where you feel like you're at your friend's living room and this guy's having fun. The most impressive part about the ANDAZ Maui for us was their endless amenities. GoPro rentals, canoe excursions, snorkel rentals, yoga, kayak tours, lei making, hula and ukulele lessons, and even a mixology class. We got to take advantage, borrowed some snorkels and GoPro, and went for my very first snorkel adventure. And don't forget, the best part of all is that ANDAZ Maui is a beachfront property and literally steps away to a private beach. They have sunscreen stations, water stations throughout the property as well. Our overall review of the ANDAZ. For location, because its proximity to the airport, as it's not that close, we docked 1 point, but being in Wailea, it's such a lovely area of Maui that we gave them 4 points. Comfort and cleanliness is a 5. We had 0 problems and felt everything was very, very clean. Food was 5 stars. From brunch to their poolside dining, everything was impeccable. Amenities, as you can probably tell, were superb, and I can't imagine anyone giving less than 5 stars. Bang for buck, we're giving 3 stars, only because it is very pricey. They do offer many things to make up for the resort fee of $48 that's mandatory, but when you're paying over $500 a night, plus valet fees, plus the resort fee, it gets pretty steep pretty fast. Overall, we absolutely love the ANDAZ, and it's easily our favorite hotel in Maui. We can't wait to come back, but we'll be booking with Hyatt points next time for sure. Give this video a like if you want to see more review videos like this, or if you want to learn more about traveling with points. Thanks everyone for watching. See you next time.